Moncton.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Assumption. Turn right onto Assumption Boulevard.
It looks like it's only, maybe it's a lighthouse.
It's an airport tower.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows? It's just a lookout tower.
Yeah.
Tourist attraction.
Looks like that green stuff up there, like they might be working. University of New Brunswick. Skateboard park there. Moncton Press Club for journalists.
Turn right onto Main Street, New Brunswick 106 East.
I don't know.
Turn left onto Wheeler Boulevard. Signs for New Brunswick 15, Trans-Canada Highway.
Yep, there's 15 up there.
Exit the roundabout onto New Brunswick 15 East. Continue on New Brunswick 15 East for 7 kilometers.
They got Bass Pro Shops up there.
Yeah. Stay there overnight too.
I think
In
that.
fact, I think I searched for a couple of those up here. That might be one of them.
I think that would be better than Walmart personally.
I think Cracker Barrel would be better than both.
That's true. Ethan says bring some of the cool weather back with you.
Fort Beausejour. Wasn't that what Jane Peterson was talking about?
Oh yeah.
What is that? Acadian Coastal Drive. The roots of my ancestry. Acadian.
Yep.
God, how's he going to even get out of here? That's longer than twice the length of my trailer.
Yeah. Looks like that guy out there's waiting to go in the end run.
I'm going to hit that end one down there.
Oh, good thinking.
My trailer's going to be sticking out probably almost all the way into the road here.
Oh, darn. What do you guys think, huh?
Something is long.
Yeah, he got out of there okay. How'd he do it?
Must have backed out. All right. Where's the Nova Scotia sign? How's it look over there?
Okay. One's coming yet. Okay. Still okay.
That was weird. You had to fill up and then go pay inside. They didn't even make you pay first or nothing. Like the old days.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, here we are. We made it to Nova Scotia. Check it out. Nice lighthouse back here with the Welcome to Nova Scotia sign. bank in the front of the sign here. We are here. Stopping at the visitor center. We're going to get some information on Nova Scotia at the visitor center. And then we're on our way to Cape Breton. Thank you, sir. That was great. Just leaving the Nova Scotia Welcome Center. Some really big windmills over there, quite a few of them behind those pine trees. There's the rig. It's been performing flawlessly so far. Not too many major problems. A couple minor glitches. Nothing big. Little things like the handle fell off the bathroom door, the water pump quit working. That's about it. No flat tires yet.
You're okay. You got your water, you got your litter box, you got everything you need. Did they go in the litter box? Oh, you have already checked. They have
No idea. Here we are in Amherst, Nova Scotia. What's wrong? What are you meowing about back there, huh?
Continue on Nova Scotia 6 East for 4 kilometers.
This is a proud Canadian town.
Yeah.
I think
Hashtag
It's-
see why we love it.
it's like they said back there. It was like a new kind of small town. They said. Like there
Fort
was-
Cumberland Manor.
No, you don't need to be crying. You're fine. You've got water, and you've got a litter box, and you've got places to lay. Yes, you do.
Is that Nave or Nova? Nova, you're talking a lot. What's wrong?
What's wrong, Noah, huh? What? What do you want? She goes, okay. She goes, I put up with this. I've been patient. I haven't made a big fuss. I haven't hid. Now I'm done.
So we left the Nova Scotia Welcome Center. We're heading up to Lorneville. Our first stop up on the coast here. We're taking the coastal road over to Antigonish instead of the major highway.
They're saying that
Tidnish General Store.
it must be like the blue bonnets.
There's the water.
Up there, it's still muddy. And then it turns blue.
I don't think this is part of the Bay of Fundy though. Anyhow, it's like 1:30. Is it do a quick takeout lunch somewhere, or what are we gonna do for lunch?
Sounds okay. And it's still a muddy river. So, chicken and chips. I mean, chips is kind of like over in England. They have fish and chips, and they have the fish and chips here. So they must call them like chips, like over in England, because I thought but it was even fish burger and chips. I thought maybe that was going to be potato chips.
That must be the gas station we're talking about. Esso. I thought it was Exxon. Still call it Esso in Canada. There's the Legion.
There it is. Doesn't look like it's open during the day up there. Just must open at night.
We'll eat whatever's in the camper for dinner tonight. We've been having apple, some cheese.
You can stir fry the green beans with the houssain sauce.
Yeah, you can have green beans.
Onions. Green beans with onions.
Fry up that pepper. You can get a half dozen eggs and have an omelet for breakfast with peppers and onions. Brewing Company.
Yep.
Tatamagouche Brewing Company. It's a good day to have some chocolate. So we're heading to Inverness at a boondocking spot. Looks like it's in a harbor by a marina. We shall see. Another hour to go. Here we go, across the causeway. This is actually the bridge to Cape Breton. So this water divides Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. Cape Breton Island is right there across the causeway.
Going out into the Chedabucto Bay.
Welcome to Cape Breton.
St. George's Bay is on the left.
There's a police car. So here we are in Inverness, Cape Breton. We found a great boondocking spot in this public parking lot, boatyard. Check out this view. Just a little inlet here right off the Atlantic Ocean where all the boats dock. I was talking to a guy, one of the boat guys, and he said these guys will be up and at 'em 5 or 6 tomorrow morning, full force, all kinds of activity where they'll be hitting heading out to the ocean, doing their fishing. Actually, I think their lobster pots too are out there. So apparently there's a channel right over there, way down there at the end, that goes out into the Atlantic. I'm gonna head over there right now. Here's our camper, snugged in between a couple trucks here. I didn't want to get in the way of everybody coming here at 5 or 6 in the morning parking, and the guy said that that spot would be perfect. I wouldn't be in the way of anybody. Welcome to stay, no issues at all. So soon I'll be taking a walk over to the beach and taking some shots there. Nice beach. Also taking some shots of the sunset. Here we're in Inverness, Cape Breton. We're gonna walk out, catch the sunset happening right now. Here's our boondocking spot. We moved from the boat place to this area. There it is, sunset. Beautiful scene here in Inverness, Cape Breton.